Turning fractions into percents, a simple guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of percentages, specifically focusing on converting fractions to percents. By the end of this video, you'll find this conversion a piece of cake. Let's get started. First, it's important to remember that a percent means out of 100. When you say something is 50%, you're essentially saying it's 50 out of 100. This is the cornerstone of our conversion process. To convert a fraction into a percent, follow this simple formula. 1. Divide the numerator, top number, by the denominator, bottom number. 2. Multiply the result by 100. For example, for the fraction 1/2. 1. Divide 1 by 2, which gives 0.5. 2. Multiply 0.5 by 100 to get 50%. So, 12, frac. 1, 2, 21 is the same as 50%. Let's try another one. Convert 34, frac. 3, 4, 43 to a percent. 1. Divide 3 by 4 to get 0.75. 2. Multiply 0.75 by 100 to get 75%. Voila! 34, frac. 3, 4, 43 is 75%. Remember, the more you practice, the quicker and more accurate you'll become. Always reduce the fraction to its simplest form before converting. Use a calculator for fractions that aren't easily divisible in your head. Keep in mind the significance of the result. A fraction like 13, frac. 1, 3, 31 won't convert neatly into a whole number percentage. It becomes approximately 33.33%, and you can round it as needed. And there you have it. Turning fractions into percents is as simple as following a two-step formula. With a bit of practice, you'll be able to do this in seconds. We hope you found this video helpful, and remember, mathematics is a language we can all speak fluently with a little patience and practice. Happy studying!